Cars are no more a luxury, but an essential commute companion. But from sparse presence and steep costs to subpar service quality and endless wait times, getting your car serviced at an OEM authorized center can be riddled with challenges. Moreover, our Indian conservative approach urges us to compare prices, review ratings, and ascertain the value for money before choosing the right vendor. More importantly, the repair and reuse mentality is preferred, which has led to the boom of multi-brand car service centers with a high 11.5 CAGR. Further market study proved both the gap and the potential in the market, which gave birth to Service Geni and the idea to aggregate multi-brand service workshops and all car maintenance related business entities under one digital service marketplace. A genuine attempt to support car maintenance like a magical companion through genius car mechanics that are available right at our neighborhoods. Individual garages and their services have always been under question, the ambiguity rising due to the lack of regulatory bodies primarily. Partially, this gets addressed at the authorized service centers, with the OEM having hold on the operations of these affiliated service centers, but terribly failing in the other areas of transparency and convenience. Other players who tried to solve this problem in the market took up the big boss or marketing hub approach instead of being the companion neither to the garages nor to the car owners, hence terribly failing in the clash between stakeholder interest and their profit margins. While a huge market awaited the competent solution, we have built Service Geni, a platform that entrusts accountability on garages, enabling them to build their own individual car care business profitably with brand consciousness. First of its kind multi-vendor marketplace as a web app that is highly responsive, offers transparency, convenience, and reliability. As a one-stop shop catering to all the maintenance needs of your car, our search, sort, filter options guide car owners to land on desired service page and understand the service inclusions in detail. Especially, the user gets to see different services offered by the vendor chosen and also different vendors offering the same service, allowing the user to compare the intricacies and make the right choice suitable for his needs. At checkout, the user understands specific prices according to their car specifications like model, body type, fuel, etc. On the other hand, the vendor interface enables garages to custom create their service offerings under defined categories and subcategories that eases their process of service addition with an industry-first cost sheet feature. Each service can be hosted with a variety of execution types like service at garage, at doorstep, and at roadside, along with single interface cost addition for all makes, models, fuel types, etc. We also have the option for the vendors to enable a fixed or variable cost depending on the nature of the service offered. Personalized profile section with one-time settings for adding multiple cards and service locations. Order history and service progress tracking. Car owners can book services at their convenience from desktop, laptop, or mobile devices through our highly responsive web app. Choosing the location for service at doorstep, at garage, or at roadside for emergencies, and scheduling it for a specific date and time. Secure full or partial payment options with industry-first 48-hour withdrawal capability for vendors. The robust rate and review system allows car owners to give feedback for individual garages for the particular service they availed through them, in contrast to the general market practices which are not foolproof. The credibility of the reviews are guarded
as only genuine car owners who have availed the service are allowed to raid the garage. The car owner's profile allows them to raise a ticket or report issues, and Service Geni's car care team supports with their expert dispute resolution. We aspire to produce happy and skilled service providers who deliver smiles through happy cars. We hope to get an opportunity to serve you soon. Thanks.
Service Geni, car maintenance, made easy.